Hi my lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me take you through the process of how I converted this boring trouser into a nice cargo trouser. Here's the jeans we're going to be using. You can see now that the waist is already reduced. There's a video on my channel if you want to know how to reduce your waist without sewing it. Yeah, I thrifted another jean in the same color and texture to create the pocket. I'm taking the hem of the trouser out first because I want to use it for earrings. See picture. You can find this video on my YouTube channel. Now fold the leg of the trouser into two like so, then cut very close to the crotch. You see this part of the trouser, we're going to be using it for something else later. I'm not going to tell you, Open up the sides of the legs like so, and then fold it into two, then cut it open. So you should have 4 pieces. And altogether 8 pieces. Remember, you have 2 legs. And also know that your pocket won't be the same size because of the shape of the trouser. Hold a reasonable amount in. I didn't use measurement in making this. I used a lot of discretion. So yeah. Just fold some inches in to create like a finished edge at the beginning, and also draw out the shape and size of the pocket you want. Like, don't trim out the extra edges you have, because this is what you need to make your baggy pocket. All I've just done is to sew on the line folded, like I folded the fabric and sew on the line. And the next thing to do is to just follow this. I'm so on that line to create like a baggy effect. Now I have 6 pockets, so -2, and the 2 I'm just going to be using it to create a flap over. So what you need to do to know where exactly you want the pocket to do, you can go ahead to place the pocket on the trouser and pin it down. Pin the pockets on the sides you want it. So after opening up, you will see that I did not open up the edge of the main trouser. That's the hem of the main trouser, because I still want to retain that fine finished hem. The 2 remaining pieces, I'm going to be using it to make flaps over the pockets like so. I'm just going to divide them into 4 like that, and take 1 to fold into 2. What I'm just trying to do here is to get the exact length of the flap I'm going to be making by putting it on the pocket where the pocket starts and begins. Ends and begins. I'm sorry, I don't know how I missed some of this video. I'm just going to show you how I attach the pocket to the pants, to the trouser. So I just marked out where I want the pocket to be, then folded in by 1/2 inch all the way around, just sewed it. Next is to put a flap over it. So I already showed you how to make this flap. So if you're scared of the edges fraying, you can use like a lighter to burn it out, but don't worry, it won't fray. So I'm going to sew down by 1/2 inch, and then also top stitch over it to make it flat to help it stay down. So this is the end product. Remember that this pocket will not be the same sizes because we are not the same size, so your discretion is highly advised. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so before leaving. Follow me on all social media platforms at Bukomotayo. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.